Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our question number 4. So our question number 4 is in figure PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equals to 110 and angle RST is equals to 130. We have to find the value of angle QRS. So this is the figure. The value of this angle is 110. The value of for this angle is 130. We have to find the value of this angle QRS, sorry. So we know that this is a line, so it form a linear pair, so we can find the value of this angle. So 110, suppose this angle to be angle 4. So 110 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. This is a straight line, so angle 4 is equals to 180 degree minus 110. So the value of angle 4 is equals to 70 degree. So angle 1, suppose this angle is to be angle 2, so angle 130 is equals to angle 2, so that is your corresponding angle, corresponding angles. So this angle 2 and suppose this to be angle 3. So angle 2 and angle 3 form a linear pair. So here, so these two angles form a linear pair. These are on straight line. This is your angle 2. This is your angle 3. So we calculate the value of angle 4 to be 70 degree, angle 2 to be 130 degree. So we have to calculate the angle 3. So angle 2 and angle 3 form a linear pair. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 2 is 130 degree plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle 3 is equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So you will obtain the value of angle 3 to be 50 degree. So angle 3 is equals to 50 degree. So now we know that the sum of angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here there are three angles in this triangle. In this triangle there are three angles. So the sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. First angle is angle 4, second angle is angle 3, and third angle is angle QRS, that is equals to 180 degree. We know the value of angle 4 and angle 3. So angle 4 is 70 degree, angle 3 is 50 degree, and plus angle QRS is equals to 180 degree. So 70 plus 50, that is 120 degree, plus angle QRS is equals to 180 degree. So the value of angle QRS is equals to 180 degree. That 120 will subtract on your right hand side, so you will obtain the value to be 60 degrees. So the value of angle QRS is equals to 60 degree. That is your required answer. So next is your next question is your in figure AB. In this figure, that is AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is equals to 50 degree and angle PRD is equals to angle 127 degree. We have to find the value of X and Y. So this 50 degree and this X degree, these are alternate angles. So these two are alternate angles. These are formed by this Z. So angle 50 degree, so angle X is equals to 50 degree. These two are alternate angles. So we will easily find the value of this X. So next is your, we have to find this value of Y. So this is also forming Z here. This line also forming Z. These two are also alternate angles. So one alternate angle is 50 plus Y and second alternate angle is 127 degree. These are also alternate angles. So the value of Y is found to be 127 degree minus 50 degrees. So value of Y is 77 degree, which is your required answer. So the value of X is 50 degree, value of Y is 77 degree. That is your required answer.